Hey, what's up, everyone? This is actually kind of a quick response video to why I quit Amazon Associates. Basically, I was getting a few nasty little remarks and insults, which is totally fine. I mean, I didn't disrespect anyone, I didn't disrespect any of the viewers, but I want to respond at this point to the people that are being insulting and disrespectful. There's one particular user that stands out. His name is Shadow Doom. He replied to my video. I think I deleted a comment or something like that. But anyway, he basically said something about, by watching your video it motivates me to stay even longer at Amazon Associates. Thanks, you douchebag, or something like that. I'll tell you what. If you like working for the assortment center, the rotation, whatever they call it, the assortment center, that's totally fine. I'm not discouraging anyone from not working there. If you want to work there, that's fine. If you have to work there, hey, you do what you got to do, the hustle. I understand that. I was working there and Walgreens at the same time, so trust me, I was quite tired. But anyway, I'm not here to mince words with anyone. If you feel you don't like my video, then don't watch it. If you don't like my comments, click off. That's fine. Like I said, my intention wasn't to be disrespectful or make anyone quit all of a sudden or not work there. I was just simply sharing my experience. And again, I guess if you don't like it, well, hey, that sucks for you. I'll tell you one thing. If you want to call me a douchebag or a punk or stupid or ass, whatever you want to call it, that's fine. You can call me whatever you want, but I want you to think about something for a second. I know I'm probably going to get even more insults for this. I'm probably even going to get called stuck up for this. But hey, I'm just being very honest with you, 100%, 1000. Who's the real douchebag? Who's the real stupid ass? Who's whatever insult here? I'm not over here running around sweating, lifting heavy ass boxes. I'm not being yelled at by people that are miserable and unhappy, probably more miserable and unhappy than you, but make more money than you. So I want you to think about who's the real douchebag. I'm not running around here lifting up boxes like I just said or sweating. I'm not being yelled at. I'm actually at a point where I'm slowly getting to the point where I could just be in bed, make money. And either way, I know I'm making more money. I know how much Amazon pays. So either way, I already know I'm making more money than you. And I know I'm going to get called, stuck up, whatever you want to call it. I just want you to think, though. That's all. I'm not here to be disrespectful, but I want you to think. Who's the real stupid ass? Who's the douchebag? You're technically making minimum wage because they only have the 4 or 5 hour shifts. You're running around, you're dripping in sweat like this, terrible condition. You get what? Barely a 10-minute break. So who's the real douchebag? And I make more money than you. Again, I'm not discouraging anyone from working there. I'm not telling people to quit. I was simply sharing my experience. My experience there wasn't so great. It started off fine. It was a learning experience. But I don't want to be yelled at by people that are miserable and then they claim to make more, probably what, 50 cents more or a dollar more than me. And I don't like all this confusion, miscommunication. I don't want to deal with rude managers. I actually had no problem with lifting heavy boxes. It was actually helping me lose weight because I know I'm not anyone special when it comes to that. But I think I would much rather be making more money on my own terms or at least be at a job that pays me better and I don't have to run around and be bitched at by people that are miserable. So I'm actually doing quite well. I understand that the people that have to be there do what you gotta do, stay hustling, stay on top, keep up with the grind. That's fine. But again, remember who's the real douchebag. I'm making more money than you. You're actually making minimum wage. They say, oh, they're paying 10, 50, 11 bucks. With the amount of hours you're working, it equals out, it spreads out to minimum wage. So remember who's the real douchebag. Anyways, stay on top. Take care.